Hello everyone, this is Steven, your compliance broker, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about using a single loop to manage all of the paperwork in your transaction. For this case, we're going to assume that you are the listing agent for this particular property, and all the paperwork's already been entered into a loop, and you can see here we have a folder called listing documents and then some of the paperwork that goes along with that. The issue that we're seeing is that when you as a listing agent receive a contract, an offer on your property, you're creating a brand new loop, and it's creating duplicates of paperwork in various places. It makes it very difficult for the office to determine if all the paperwork has been submitted correctly or not. So what I'm going to do is walk you through the steps of creating separate folders to keep track of all of your documents within a single loop. The best way to do that is you already have a loop for your listing. It's already been submitted to the office. Everything's been taken care of. It should be listing compliant at this point. So once we've received those sales documents, here's what you're going to do. You'll go right over here on the right hand side and see this little button that says add folder. You'll click that. It'll ask you to name this folder. We're just going to call it sales documents. And we'll delete out new folder there and hit return. So we've got a new folder, and then it asks you to add the paperwork. Now hopefully the agent that you're going to be working with has submitted the paperwork to you in some form, PDFs, that you can upload into the system. So I'm going to select from the computer, and we'll navigate to where these are located. And then here are all the documents, and you can select all of these, click open. And basically what the system will do is they'll upload it into the loop for you directly. And now what you can do is you can go into any of these documents and add any information, addresses, signature boxes, text boxes, whatever is needed in order to complete this paperwork and get it signed off and back to the agent that made the offer to you. So, like I said in review, we only need a single loop for each transaction. You can include all of your documents, your listing documents, your sales documents, any miscellaneous files. Just put them in separate folders within the transaction documents themselves. This makes it a lot easier for the office to maintain and manage where the paperwork is for each individual loop and each individual transaction. And it also will help you stay organized and make sure that the information you're submitting to the office is complete. Again, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.